Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paris, aka PN Channel, and today we'll be doing something different. As you can see, I'm in a new place. This is my uncle's house. Well, you might be thinking, how can you go to your uncle's house when it is movement control operation? Well, our uncle actually lives like just beside us. So I can go to his house. I mean, we can go to his house. Alright? And today, we're playing Nerf guns. Well, my uncle has Nerf guns and he let me play with them. Alright. Here they are. This is the biggest gun with the most ammo. Dude. And this gun I haven't assembled yet, but it comes in three different pieces. This one, and this one. So this is the barrel, I'm pretty sure. This is the stock, and this is the what you attach right here. Alright, first let's assemble this gun. Alright, and I also have a fan right there, so I also have a fan right there, so I don't get hot in here. Alright, so this piece, yep, goes in there, locked, secure. Locked and secure. This you can either take it off, you can either leave the gun how it is, like this, or you can attach it. I'm gonna leave it how it is because I think it's more powerful this way. Alright, and it also comes with a, you guys guessed it, a dart holder, and I already filled it to the top. And just in case this thing runs out, I have a backup. This is also another dart holder. Alright, now just... Okay, so this gun, you put it right here, you pull, you see this? Yeah, see this arrow right there? And... boom. There. And then if you shoot, I'm not gonna shoot at you guys, I promise. I'm not gonna, okay, I'm not gonna shoot at you guys, okay. Now, you guys are coming with me. We're going to the earlier spot. Okay. There we go. And my uncle said I could just stand right here and I literally can just like shoot. Dude. See those 3 targets right there? These are the Incredible Hulks. We got a blue one, a green one, and a red one. So now, let's take this gun, and let's fire something. Okay, let's go. So it has a blue trigger and a pink trigger. What you have to do is, pull the blue trigger first, it'll set out this noise, and pull the pink trigger, boom, it will shoot a ammo. Okay guys, so here we go, taking out the Incredible Hulk. Here we go! The ball is down, let them rain. Yes! Let's go! I didn't even get to use that gun. Dude! Okay, so the point of this is there are 3 rounds. There are 3 rounds, and if I manage to destroy these Incredible Hulks with only 2 guns and with ammo, then I win. But if I don't do it, if I can't do it, then the video is over. Alright, so here we go. I need to like reset them real quick, so hold on. Okay guys, so I have got them done. And for the last one, I used 7 darts. Okay? Time for a rematch. Incredible Hulk, you guys are going down. Writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing. Oh wait, there's 1 ammo. Is that there? Yeah. Go! Okay guys, the thing, I have this gun. Each time you shoot, you need to pull this back and back here. Okay, so here we go. Oh! What? I moved it! Oh, come on! That was loud! God. Dude! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Okay. So, I need to reset them again for round 3, so see you guys later. Okay guys, so they're reset. Now, time to fight back. Oh! No! Guys, I'm out of ammo. Well, okay. If you want to reload it, you need to boom, and then press this little spot right there. Boom, pull it out. And fortunately, I have another one. Let's go. Alright. Alright. Ah. Oh yes! Go on, man. Yes! Oh, please. Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god. Guys, I absolutely destroyed them. Okay, guys. So, whoa! Okay. So, I have a huge mess I need to clean up, and also, thank you guys for 40 subscribers, and we're on the way to 100 subscribers, and help me get to 100 subscribers, and if we can do it, let's reach 100,000 subscribers, because in 100,000 subscribers, I will reveal my mom on camera. You can check it out in the description on my channel. You can go click the about on my channel and just read the description, and you guys will know. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like my channel. Hope you like my other vids, and subscribe, leave a like on the video, get this to 10 likes, and click the notification bell up there, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!